Well. Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth family. I'm excited to be here. I'm thrilled, to be honest with you guys. We have another opportunity to trade. With that being said, you guys are going to hear other voices on the YouTube stream other than my own. Those are members of the Legacy Wealth Society. With that being said, stay safe in the markets, and I hope today's stream helps you achieve your goals, achieve the desire of learning how to trade. And with that being said, let me jump over here. Let me share my audio with my community real quick so they can hear my good vibes I got going on. Good vibes. Good morning, Legacy family. Alrighty, let me see what we got going on here. This morning has been a morning, I'll say that, because I was not rushing, but it's one of those things where whenever I'm getting ready to do these streams, everything like that, that's when my computer's telling me I need to do updates, the whole shebang. So, gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Morning.
Good morning, G. Good morning, sir. How are you this morning?
All right. Ready to make some money? You ready for that news at 10 o'clock?
That I am. I'm excited to see what type of price action we get today. Especially since what's it called? The government did the little shutdown, everything like that. So that makes me intrigued, I'll say. It makes me intrigued. Let me get that on the chart. There we go. Alrighty. It's crazy. It's so crazy. I don't know why, but whenever I'm starting to do these streams, like that's when my computer's telling me I need to do an update. Like, gotta love it. So I was rushing because I did the update. I was like, I hope I make it in time to be on time for you guys.
No, I get, since I'm following, y'all get that notification. Once I see that you online, then that's when I jump in.
Okay.
Notified, I'm a subscriber. I gotta subscribe to my dog.
I appreciate that, G. I appreciate that.
It notifies me each time you live. So you're on live. That's what I know.
We'll definitely take that. We've officially hit over 60,000 views on the channel.
That's good, man. That's good.
And we're in like the baby stages of this. Like we're already ahead of most channels our size currently. But I'm just excited to see this thing just to keep growing. All right, looking at these charts here. Real tight right here. Good morning to everyone on the YouTube stream. Good morning. We're just preparing for our 9:30 open here. I don't know what is going on with this stuff today. Let's see. There we go. G, is the audio good for you? Music, all that good stuff?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll take it. All right, looking at the market currently, let me see where the VWAP's at.
VWAP is 757.
Right now it's not populating on my chart. Let me refresh. All right, there we go. Man, it's been a morning. When it's like this, I gotta make sure I don't get frustrated because these are the days where we're gonna make tons of money. So yep, VWAP for me is currently down at 756. We're currently hanging out around this 21 EMA currently. So I want to see, we had last night, the market did push down pretty hard and we bounced off a pivot point all the way down at 633. But with the market and with the government shutdown, everything like that, let's see if we get some good volatility, because looking at these charts, I see we'll see. I gotta wait till market open. I don't want to call something. I need the confirmation on it. Need that confirmation. For the people on YouTube, where are you guys tuning in from? Are you excited to make some money today if you're trading? And if you are trading, what are you trading? We got 10 o'clock news today. And then we got news tomorrow and on the 3rd as well. So got news for the next 3 days. We'll take that. Give us some, hopefully, good market price action, which we'll gladly take. All right. I'm ready. I'm set. We're just waiting 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes to make some money here. I feel like we're going to push down. That's just me. That's just me. But I'm like, this looks like a big old bear flag on the 2 minute. Let me jump over on this screen for you guys. We got the pull, the shot up. Feel like we just got a drop. That's just me. I may be slightly biased because I saw that, but let's see. 7-3. Yep, cool. Three more minutes for market open here. I'm glad Tradeovate got their market data issues fixed because I've been kind of frustrating. Wouldn't have been able to trade our Tradeify accounts this morning. Yeah, I'm seeing down. Yeah, we want to come down.
Where's Steve?
Not on yet. He responded to something in the group today that I posted. So
see that drop? You see that?
Yep. Like I want to just jump in on it, but the market's not open yet.
Look like it's about to touch that VWAP too.
No surprise there. No surprise there. Let's see if we can build out like.
It bounced right off, and look, it's shooting right up.
Well, it didn't bounce off my VWAP. We came close, but we never touched it.
Yeah, it came clear. I take that back. Almost. But look at the bottom wicks of that too, though. So the last two, those wicks. But it's saying I'm seeing an uptrend though. That's what I think. What happened with market open?
Well, we closed yesterday up there at 838. That was the close for yesterday.
All right.
So we're going to see what we get here. Want to kind of build out a bear flag because with the government shutdown stuff, that scares the market. You know what I'm saying? Like, and when there's fear in the markets, the price normally goes down. Looks like we may be building out a bear flag, but we'll see. I'm all for it in either direction.
Later on the day, Duane, I'm gonna send you this link of what I was looking at, the strategy I was looking at. I think you should take a look at it too.
Okay. I always check it out.
Ooh, market is open.
Don't care about that. All right, market's open. Push through that VWAP right there. Let's see. We got that pivot point down there at that 736 level. Give me the follow through. Let's go. Trying to get paid here. Bounce right off that pivot. That's crazy. Luckily, that's on my Apex account. But that's crazy. Bounced right off that pivot point. Well, the low of the 15 from yesterday. Look at it. Shoot, that's craziness. Just craziness. Let's see where we're going. We got a pivot point above us here at 824. 824 for that pivot above us. Let's see if we build out a flag here. This thing's just pushing. Come up to that pivot point. Let's see what we get here. Just waiting here. 9:33. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. All right, there's that pivot point touch. Let's see what we get here. We have that gap fill for the 838. 838 for the close from yesterday. Let's see if we're going to retest that pivot. Just tapped it right there. No flags yet. No flags yet. Welcome to the YouTube stream for the people over there. feel like giving away some free community memberships today to the community. So probably do that around 10 o'clock when the news comes out.
Like about to touch that pivot again.
Yep. There's that pivot point.
Yep, it is. Touches it and goes right back down. Repeating itself.
But we got these wicks on these candles. So those
Right.
wicks on those candles are making me feel like the market's going to be slightly bullish with those
Yeah.
wicks right there. We just got to clear this pivot.
Hello?
Hanging out on this pivot point.
All right. Look, damn, it went right up.
Closed at 265. I literally got 65 bucks off that. That's crazy. All right, so there's the gap from yesterday. 838. Feel like we got a lot of resistance in this area where we're currently sitting, because we got those wicks on top of those candles right there. Let's see if we get some better momentum up here. It's either we gotta punch through and keep pushing up, or the market's going to potentially start coming down.
Let's see if the Bulls let them. They fighting right now.
Oh yeah.
It's a little challenge. Touch that pivot point. Well,
Almost touched it. But we got a lot of selling pressure right now. A lot of selling pressure. All right, 195 for that account. Rotating to the next one. Let's see if we continue with the selling pressure, or are the Bulls going to finally push. Let's see.
yes, they are.
I just don't trust it because we keep getting stalled out in this zone up here. There seems to be a lot of resistance above this pivot point right now. Six more minutes for the 15-minute range to be completed. Tons of pressure up here at this pivot point. And when this pressure finally breaks in either direction, it's going to be a fast move. All right, back up there to that close from yesterday, tapped it once again. And then sellers instantly tried stepping in. The bears do not want to let this price go higher. 20 more minutes till the news for 10 o'clock. 20 more minutes. Back below that pivot briefly there. $190 on that one. Are we getting ready to roll over here? Took a bad trade on this account I opened. So just clean this one up. Green in 2 of my other accounts. But I'm going to clean this one up just slightly. Nothing crazy. I'm not going to push on this account. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes till 9:45 for that 15-minute range to be completed. Welcome to the YouTube stream for the people over there. Lots of pressure up here in that current area where we're sitting in. For the people on YouTube, what are you guys trading today? You trading futures, stocks, options? Where are you guys trading? Look at that wick on that candle, letting you know the buyer's trying to step in right there. Want to get out of this area where we're sitting around this pivot point because there's a lot of pressure up here and we're not moving. Popped up through that pivot point right there. Not trusting it yet because we're in this weird zone currently. Lots of wicks, lots of wicks on tops, bottoms. So we just gotta patiently wait here. Less than a minute for the 15-minute range to be completed. $15 more minutes, give or take. All right, 15 more minutes now until the news comes out. The 15-minute range is completed now. Rejected off of that zone once again. Best tip, just wait. Just wait. Let's see if we clear this wick right there. If we do, we may start waterfalling. Had a bear flag put on the 2 minute, but we gotta get past that wick. We tapped that wick and then popped right back up there. I'll get ready to kill this one if we don't get the follow through here. Consolidating right there slightly. Let's see if we're going to get the waterfall here. I want the waterfall. That's just me personally. All right, clean that one up just slightly right there. Like I said, I'm not trying to get it all back. So now I'll rotate over to one of my Tradeify accounts.
Oh, there you go.
Good morning, Steve. Good morning. Morning,
Good
sir.
morning. How are you doing?
Another day in paradise. How about yourself?
I'm doing all right. I wrote you some, but I'm figuring it out. I am kind of in the middle of my birth week celebration coming up, so I will be probably cutting out a little early, but I couldn't resist popping on and saying what's what. We have news at 10.
That we do.
We're below the EMA and above the VWAP, and you need to pay attention, gentlemen.
Oh, thank you. We're trying to, see. We're trying to. You said you wrote me something. Let me pull up.
You'll see. It's no big thing.
All right. Look at that drop right there. Wow.
Whoa.
Well, to the VWAP and beyond. People getting skittish on the news, maybe.
Oh, we'll see. Let me come back over here.
Man,
And it's still dropping. Wow. Just popped out of the low of the 15-minute range right there.
Yeah, I see that.
Getting ready to. All right, just tap that pivot point as well. Let's see how we react here. So we're below the 15-minute range right now. Wow.
Looks like it's just about testing it now. Interesting.
Yep, that was the move I was looking for at open.
Well, you found it now.
Yes, but I wasn't prepared for it.
But what do you always say? What do you always say? The market repeats itself. So.
That it does. That it does. So we're going to see if we build out another bear flag. Oh. Did you refresh your connections? Because I know TradeVan stuff was having issues this morning.
No, I did see the alerts and I like reacted to them, but every day I just started fresh this morning and it's good.
Okay.
I will tell you this, so since they did that update, the Ninja Trader loads a lot slower.
Okay.
You know, like through the boot process, like
yeah,
on the desktop, like before it'd be like ding. Now it kind of does like 5-minute chart and it'll sit for a second and then you know it's kind of like I don't know what they're doing there, but
okay.
Once it's up, it's good. And
yeah,
and clearing the cache got that other problem solved where it's double trading in reverse, which is a nice thing to have resolved.
Oh, 100%, 100%.
You make like a great trade and then it goes into another trade in reverse and it's like, okay.
Yeah. Let's see if we build out a flag here.
I think G needs a song one of these days.
Yeah, I'm gonna play it today. Have no fear. It's being played today. We're in the lows of this 15-minute range right now. We got that VWAP right above us.
Hey, we'll close in the lows. We will close in the lows. We just don't diddle in the middle.
That we do not. I want to see this flag play out on the 2-minute.
How you doing, Duane? Y'all good?
Yeah.
He's having the time of his life, can't you tell?
I'm living the dream, man. I get a trade with like-minded individuals that want to win in life. You know, what's better than that?
Yeah, that's right. I'm just glad that that you like met G because he's like a real he's like completes a group, man. He's like insane.
Yeah.
Like savage.
Just ran up there and tapped that VWAP.
Sounds like a Rick James song.
Let's see what we get here. We got that 21 EMA above us. I want to see the bulls start to push here. Right back to that VWAP. Let's see if we build some structure for a flag. That'd be very helpful right now.
You heard what he said, Cuzzo? You heard what he said, Cuzzo? He's here.
Come on, Cuzzo, you heard that?
How so?
All right, there's that 21 EMA. We just pushed through it. Pushed through the middle of that 15-minute range as well. Not going to diddle in the middle.
Never.
Just grabbed $100 right there.
Oh, you weren't diddling in the upper middling.
Well, I didn't want to diddle in the middle. We pushed through the middle, and now we have a pivot point right above us at 824 area, the 824 area. So
Yeah,
let's see if we build out a flag here to push up to that. What's going on? There we go. Selling pressure stepping in right there. Want a flag. We're above that VWAP, so looking for that bull flag first. All right, right back down to that 21 EMA.
It might build a nice flag if it keeps it up.
Hey, we'll take it if it does.
Ooh.
Let's see what we got going on with the hourly. That's a very special candle right there for that hourly. Pretty much a tie so far for the hour. Oh, it's 9:58, 9:59 now. I'm gonna stay flat because we got news coming out at 10 o'clock. Glad I just looked at the time there.
I would have told you. That's why you got me here. I can read the clock.
Hey, I appreciate that. Teamwork makes the dream work at the end of the day. Oof. Tons of selling pressure right now through the VWAP. What did my brother just say? Oh my goodness. Wow. 10 o'clock. Stay out the market. Going crazy right now. News is out. News is out. Be careful.
So what did your brother say?
He got banned from using funding tick. So I'm gonna have to find out why in a moment. Alrighty, so news came out there.
Who got banned from funding tick?
Oh, my brother.
How?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to hit him. I'm gonna call him on stream here in a minute. Want to see? Let the dust settle from this news coming out there.
Yeah, absolutely.
And if they banned him, that's crazy. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
because I mean, from what you say, he's like he just kind of does like his. Yeah, it'll be an interesting story. I implore you to start doing, videos based on your various prop firm things because you have an out with that to kind of explain the ins and the outs um, and if people want to learn more, they can always come into Legacy and learn more.
Yep. No, I'm in agreement. I gotta shoot a couple videos actually. I've just been not procrastinating. I've just been handling some other stuff with one of my other businesses, but I'll definitely get at least one video shot today. They'll probably be talking about how to get a payout from the prop firms, and that's going to talk about the system and understanding that the prop firms, they truly don't want you making money.
Yeah.
So you have to beat their system, and you have to understand how to play it.
Exactly, the system, and then and then there's always you could do those short things, the shorts to kind of pump it. So did Apex just like steal, or you know what I mean? So it's not you're not directly accusing, but it's kind of tabloid to get people to watch the other stuff.
Yeah.
Content. And then you can get into the real deal because you're gonna tell it like it is.
Only way I know how to. Man, looking at these charts right now,
he loves it.
we can say that. We can say that, I guess. I'm just not trying to get chopped right now. That's my issue.
Yeah. Well, it kind of like shot off like a grenade, and it's like or a mortar, and then it's just like now it's like, okay, what are you gonna do? Got the EMA all over it.
Hanging out at the middle of this 15-minute range. All right, done trading that account. 280 on this account. I am less than like $400 away from a 2K payout from Tradify on that account. Yeah, I'm not trying to push anything. Taking what the market's giving us. We got that pivot point above us once again.
I'm looking at that.
$160 on that quick little scalp. Let's see what happens once we get above that pivot. I do know the last time we were above it, it was some weird price action, to say the least.
Yeah, I'm looking at the candles to the opening in there, and
once it touch that pivot point, it's going the magnet is just right there like a.
I want to get above that pivot to clear out all those wicks we had. We need to clear all the way up to 841 for me to be like, okay, we could potentially start pushing higher. I honestly thought the market was going to drop today with the government shutdown.
But they're just being like, they're being idiots.
Yes, all stupid.
Trying to force like the crap back. It's like sore losers.
And actually, let me call my brother here, so
Yeah,
we can find out why he got banned, because I would like to know at this point.
Fuck, man. On top of the things, why the shit is going?
What's up, man? You're on stream. Everyone can hear us. Why did he get banned from funding ticks?
I don't think I should say this on your stream.
It's that bad?
Nothing. I was. First, good morning, Legacy family. I hope you all are having a great day and all making money today.
Yeah, everyone's good. They want to know. They want to know what happened, sir. They want to know.
So, in trying to help a family member also trade, I had their accounts copy my trading accounts.
Oh yeah, that's a no-go.
And there's other people that do it that they have not been discovered yet. But however, when I did it for this particular family member, I was caught. So essentially, I was copy trading. My trades are being copied by this family member, so that way their accounts can be funded, everything like that. I got their account funded, and it was in that review process that Funding Ticks does that they figured out that my family members' accounts are being copied to another account, so they traced it back to my account. So I was banned from Funding Ticks, unfortunately.
Copy.
So,
Yeah, that's never a good thing right there. And gentlemen, do not copy trade from your account to someone else's account, because that would instantly with prop firms get you hemmed up pretty quickly. Sorry that happened to you.
So basically, I could hear too well. So like, he was copy trading somebody else.
Now you're not copy trading. So Funding Ticks is the only one that I was doing that with. So.
Well, welcome to Tradeify. We're glad you're coming over. Okay.
So yeah, I had to tell a buddy of mine, because he gets paid copy trading. Like, he has clients that he copy trades their accounts for them, using like Funding Ticks and everything like that. And that's the thing, they'll let you do it, but it's that once the account is in a review process to be funded, that's when it gets flagged or whatever. So I told him, I'm like, hey bro, just so you know, like, if you want to get ahead of this, you might want to, because they have a way of tracking.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, we live, we learn, and
We laugh and we cry.
now we know.
Yep.
All right, I won't be doing that one, so should be safe. Should be safe.
The good thing though about Funding Ticks was, I won't hold you guys, is that they issued myself and the family member refunds on our accounts. They canceled, because they canceled all of our accounts and then banned us. But they refunded us all of our money for those accounts. So I must say, it was a pleasant banning.
Hey, at least you didn't lose money, you know, so we'll take that. Okay. Well, now the Legacy family knows what not to do, and we're going to keep it moving. Are you on the charts today?
I am.
Well, I'll let you get back to it, sir. We're on the charts as well, and I hope you stay green today, sir.
I
Stay
hope the
green.
same for you all as well.
All right, man. I'll talk to you later.
Yes, sir.
All right. Alrighty, I'm back. We're back. We're live.
So basically, because you couldn't really hear him too much, it's like he was copy trading to somebody else, like a separate guy.
Yeah, so he was copy trading and then having a family member's account on it as well. Copy trading.
Oh, that's probably hot. So was it? My thing is, I guess they caught on, they saw it, and they're like, "Oh nah."
Yeah.
So So pretty much you can't copy trade on funded ticks, huh?
No, you can copy trade. You just have to copy trade for yourself. You can't copy trade and then have another account that's not associated with you copy trading your trades. So in essence, he was trading for someone else.
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
copying his trades on someone else's account.
Yeah, so they're like, wait.
Still waiting to get above this pivot point here.
I was thinking about it.
Just tap the pivot. Like I said, I want to clear that 941 level. I'll rotate off of this account just to get off of it, play it safe. All right, I gotta change this vibe right now. Let's do this one. And then let me pull up G Song as well, so I can get that prep. Alrighty, hanging out at this pivot point. Nothing to do yet. Want to see us push. We have not broken out of this 15-minute range to the high yet. So want to see us push. Looks like a bull flag on that 5-minute.
Look at this noodling, man.
Yep. See, this was happening earlier as well. We were when we got above this pivot, we were just popping up and then coming right back down to the pivot. So
Yeah, look at that selling pressure.
yep.
On a 2 minute, man. Oof. Let's go.
Try to go back down and touch that pivot point once again. At this point, I'm gonna wait till 841 level before taking another trade.
It hears you. And it's like, well, we'll see.
Well, with how we got this like selling pressure up in the zone right now, like it's one of those things where we gotta be careful, because since we're seeing the selling pressure, if the bears win, this thing's gonna come right back down.
Oh yeah, I could see that. I'm looking at the candles just the 2 minute candles just after 8:30, like 8:34 and all that. You could just see the same thing. It's almost, it came up and it's just like fighting down, so it's got to break that level.
Yep.
Market going up.
There we go. Testing it. Looking at 843 level for a second.
On that 840. 41.
So we broke out of the 15-minute range, came right back into it. So let's get ready for the potential move up here. First target would be 876. That was the overnight high. $700 on that trade right there.
Good, Duane.
876. 876 is my target that I'm looking for here. Gonna wait for another opportunity to jump in here. Not liking this stalling right here.
I think support is gonna shoot higher, right? Ha 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 ha.
Let's see if we build out a flag.
Oh, here we go.
There's that 876 level. That's the high from the overnight session. Next target now we're looking for is 890. 890. Last time we were up here, we sold off pretty quickly for that overnight session. So
now it's time. This part of our broadcast, if I could have your attention to thank Duane Broom.
no thanks needed. No thanks needed.
The way he's quick about reading my DMs. Nah, hey, mother. Sucker.
Let me rotate over. I got some Apex accounts I need to get handled here. Let me log in. Double check which accounts.
See, look. That's that.
Whenever this wants to load, gotta love technology.
You in the call?
There we go. Alright, so we got that one I gotta do.
It look like a potential bull flag is forming on that 2 minute. See that forming on that 2 minutes, Dwayne?
I'm not looking at it right this second.
Wait,
Trying
hold
to
for
see
15 seconds, we'll be there.
Let's see if we get this bull flag here.
Happy leaving. I don't have to pay the tour anymore.
What's your gut saying, Dwayne?
Well, we got those wicks on the bottom of that candle. So I feel like it wants to push, but the bulls need to have strong momentum here.
Contract. Oh.
Let's see what we get here. Still have that target up there at 890. Then from that 890, we got that whole number coming, that 900 level. Here comes that 890 level. There we go. There's 890. Let's see how we react here.
They don't got money. They the shit for. Oh. Oh.
I feel like that 900 level's calling at this point.
I would say so. But like you say, when it's near the top, it's so easy to reverse.
Yeah.
Like the first drop of a roller coaster.
Let's see if the bulls push here. Target's at 900 level. That 900 level. $13 more seconds on this 2-minute candle here. If the bulls push, they'll be giving us a bull flag on the 2-minute chart. I am done trading my funded accounts for the day. So now I have 7 evals with Apex that I can trade. Wasn't my intentions. I forgot to cancel those subscriptions, so they all renewed. So
Yeah. I was like, you're up to something.
When I looked at because you get the email confirmations, I'm like, I can't believe I forgot to turn off 7 of them.
But I mean, my story with that was, I was like, I just had a feeling, like a gut feeling, like I should just check it.
Yeah.
You know, and it was like, it was renewing the day that I checked, and there was one that made it through, so it was just like,
Yeah.
So it's like, you know, okay, I'm multiple subscriptions, why? Dead account.
Let's see if this is going to be the push for the bulls. One of that 900 level. Almost there. All right, there's the 900. Still pushing. So we'll take that. Let me rotate to another apex. Which one do I want to do next? Let's see if we get a slight pullback down to this 900 level before it keeps pushing. Yesterday's high 913.
Where's it going next, baby?
I feel like it's going to come back down, tap that 900. And as long as we hold that 900 level, we'll keep pushing up. There's that 900.
Are you done?
Let's see if we push here, get up to that 913 level.
No.
Sitting here at that whole number. Let's see if the bulls push finally here for this bull flag.
Okay, so what are you up to later on today, Duane?
Later today, nothing crazy today for me. I'm gonna be literally just hanging out at the house all day, icing my knee.
Oh
Because
no, your knee still? Like, is it that bad?
I don't know what I did. Literally, I don't know what I did, but it's gotten better since yesterday because I iced it pretty heavy yesterday. I have a whole icing machine.
Wow.
So I'm gonna ice it for a majority of the day before the kids get out of school today. And then see how I'm feeling. If I'm not feeling like better by like Friday, I'm gonna just go to the doctors. But
Yeah,
at least I'm gonna do like the icing and everything like that, get the inflammation down.
Yeah,
Just see if that helps.
That's a good plan. I mean, that's like their first plan of attack anyway. With that is to try to get the inflammation down because that could be causing your problem. But
Hey, what y'all think on that 2 minute?
It's looking to me like it's trying to build a bull flag.
Thank you. That's all I want to know.
yeah, so you got it, baby. How are you doing?
Not too good, but I'm trying to get out the negative. That's pretty much what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Well, I'm getting ready to go 10 contracts deep when we get good momentum to pass this eval with Apex, since I got 6 more of them to pass.
Ooh, damn.
72 contracts.
No, he said 10, right?
Well,
Yeah.
I know the man, and he never stops at 10.
So I'm just waiting for solid momentum to be able to execute.
Right. Looking like it's going on a little downtrend.
Well, this is a flag.
A big flag.
A nice bull flag. I'm waiting for when it's going to shoot back up again.
Same up here on that 5. The hourly candle's up there trying to push, but we'll see. Just so you guys know as well, for the community, I'm gonna be doing some stuff for you guys where you guys will actually be able to earn money from the community as well. Just so you guys know.
Like you told me yesterday, if I come and trim your lawn, you'll give me $15.
Well, I was looking at, I'm trying to figure out the best price point for the affiliate stuff for new members, but have it where, say someone uses, like, I'm gonna give you guys codes that's only specific for you. So
So
if someone
bring-
signs up using your code, then you'll get a percentage off of the sign up.
God, that's cool.
It didn't happen at 9. It didn't happen at 10.
Oh, right there, boom.
20 seconds left on this 2-minute candle to the next one prints.
So wait, I can't trim your yard for $15?
No, you should get more than $15. Just saying. $15 isn't going to do much.
But yeah, so just so you know, like tomorrow I will be like away from a computer, you know,
Okay.
because my birthday is coming up. And
You're
so,
good.
But I should be back on Friday, just at least pop in, but that's like my actually birthday. But
Okay.
it was like we do it big, you know what I mean? So it's just kind of fun, you know what I mean?
No, enjoy it, because hey, the fact that you have another birthday to celebrate is amazing. And that's how I look at my birthdays. Like each year's another opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, I'm not that damn old. You take that.
no, I'm just saying. I say it for myself too. I'm only turning 35 this year, so. Looking at that 2-minute, going to give us a lot of structure. A lot of structure.
Yeah, I mean there's one day that I just kind of kept it running in the background. I wasn't trading, and I walked away, and it was just kind of like a hockey game, man. It was like I drew the lines really long, and it was just tracking the student.
Yeah.
But I mean, I did pretty good today, so I mean,
That's awesome.
It's like I hit every trade I wanted to hit, so I'm not pressed to do more unless something comes up.
Yeah. No, I feel that.
I do want to get with you, you know, just about some things, but I'll do it when we're not on the stream.
Okay.
Because I just want to I'm just trying to take a deep dive to see if there's any like roadblocks that I'm hitting on certain things. Like I'm trying to, like I said, I just want to be so humble about this and not assume anything. So, I mean, I feel like I got it, but then there's some days that it just like gets away from me or something.
Well, 1 second.
Dum, 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 dum.
I'm back. I'm back, gentlemen.
Solid.
Let's see if this gives us that bull flag here.
I did see it kind of came up, tested it, and went right back down. That 1 minute, you know, has a slightly different EMA, and it kind of hit, some of those wicks are hitting it, so it's kind of interesting.
I just want some solid momentum just so I could pass this account here.
With 42 contracts.
Well, they cap you with a 50K account with Apex at 10 contracts, so I can only do 10. So
Well,
I'm gonna do the full thing.
Cola enchilada.
But we don't really have momentum right now, so not just jump in.
Yeah, no, like I said, there's like a paradox of what I'm saying because but I definitely want to have a game plan, but I traded very well today. I cannot
Okay.
complain in the least.
Do you feel like you're starting to have more green days than red days?
Well,
Yep.
yeah, I mean, oh, were you talking to G or me?
Everyone. Well, I was talking to you, but everyone can respond. That's okay.
Well, no, I mean, like I said, that one account, like when it took like a big hit, like when it gets in the hole, I guess it's always hard to recover it. You know what I mean? Like I lost an account yesterday, but I mean, it's like I'm trading right now and I'm like trading good, but I just gotta I mean, the biggest thing for me is like if I'm having a green day, I need to make sure those greens are bigger greens because that's like I've been trading green as a proof of concept, but I need to run with a ball. You know what I mean? So,
Okay. And you're trading? Are you trading the one contract or micros?
No, I like right now. I'm trading full. I'm
Okay.
on my stem, so. But sometimes I was trading the micros, but I mean, as a proof of concept, but that's not going to get anywhere because you'd be there for 17 years. I think I made $1,000.
Well, even if you're trading the micros, you could just up how many micros you're trading.
Oh yeah, because you could go 10 micros is like I said, so 10 of those is like a mini, so you can trade like conceivably half points or whatever if you want to.
Real tight right now, real tight. Waiting for something to happen here. We got 10 minutes till 11 o'clock.
Yeah, I think I'm going to get off at 11 because my wife is home today and we're kind of getting set for our trip. So
yeah, I'll be getting off at 11 o'clock as well.
Because there's when you got a good woman in your life, it's cool to hang out.
No, 100%.
I've accomplished everything I want to do today with trading. I just need to use Cuzzo in a sentence. So I'll work on that and then I'll call it a day.
Not getting the follow through right there. Let's see how we react right there.
Where you think it's going next? 735? Yeah.
I'll be creeping to that whole number.
Yep.
Come on, baby, make me whole. Come on.
I'm on a strong push through that whole number.
That's a big
Yeah.
tomorrow. Tomorrow. It might go there today, but they probably go.
How much will it be if you do it for tomorrow? Will it be 54? Oh, good.
Stalling right there, close to that whole number right there. Let's see if the bulls are going to have enough to push this price up.
It's just parking. You know what I mean? It's like, we want the momentum. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Usually I want to see a push down, like more relief.
Let's see if the bulls are finally going to push. We got 4 minutes before 11 when we're all getting off here. Want to see them push.
That'd be a nice, like, proof of concept.
Yep.
So, like, we're gonna be like camping, of course. We're going to a place where there's tubing,
Oh, nice.
so we'll be like chilling, and then we'll do it in the middle of the week, so nobody's like crazy there.
Yeah.
Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun.
Stalling out right at that 900 level. Want to see the bulls push here. Is this going to be the push through right here? Let's see. Stalled once again at that whole number. The bulls are trying to break through here.
Let's do it.
There we go.
Gonna keep going.
Quite high.
1,300 on that trade.
Not bad when you're doing 10 contracts.
Not bad, but not bad.
Well, no, but I mean, the thing is, like, there's no magic in that, because if it goes the other way, that's 1,300 load against your account.
Yep. But this is an eval, so that's why I wasn't stressing it. When it was in drawdown,
Yeah.
should have held, because this bad boy's still ripping. We got that pivot point above us.
Oh, the pivot point's at 27, right?
Yeah.
I could just barely, it's like half on my screen.
Just had another 400 there. But I'm going to be getting off here, gentlemen. It's 11:02. If you're going to stay on the charts, look to see if it builds out another bull flag to keep us going higher.
I'm good for the day. You know, I mean, it's always, you know, it's nice to be able to walk away and not worry about it, because
Yeah. Well,
But I you know, if I do pop in, but I'm gonna be enjoying my wife today, so.
no, of course.
Okay.
Well, have a good rest of your day, sir.
Yes, sir.
See you on potentially Friday if you pop on.
Oh yeah. I'll at least gonna try to pop in tomorrow just to say what's what.
Okay.
You
G,
know,
have a good day as well.
Too, man.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Beautiful.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
For everyone on the YouTube stream, appreciate you tuning in still. I will see you guys tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. With that being said, hope you enjoyed. Stay safe in the markets. We'll be back tomorrow. Be blessed.